Hey guys, Brass Monkey here, and I am showing you guys something that is really cool. I started it today and just finished making it right now at about 6. Anyway, so I'm going to show you this. This is part of my dad's HVZ loadout. So, yeah, give me a second. Alright, here it is. I made this out of an old Amazon. I made this out of an old Amazon Prime shipping box, and it actually works really well. Here, give me a second. Mom, can you try this on? I want to show the viewers that it actually works. All right, since my And alright guys, I'm going to try and show you the best I can. Here it is. You can cock it while it's in the box. It's easy to put in, pull out, cock, then shoot an annoying sister. Sorry, Casey. Anyway, as I was saying, and my sister's crying, dang it. Alright, now you get to see Casey shoot me. Thank goodness that she's not a good shot. Alright, see you guys.